In front of me is NOKIA C31 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this NOKIA smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and access Display section. Following that, scroll down again, click on Font Size and operate this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, click on the back button and as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!